Hi, it's Lee from BGS. So if you've just been told that your tank is non-compliant due to its discharge type or because it's been damaged, then you might be facing a large bill for a full replacement. However, there is one other more cost-effective, cheaper option. If the shell or walls of the tank are still structurally sound and the tank has an acceptable capacity, then you may be able to convert the tank into a treatment plant. This customer found themselves in that exact position. The house is up for sale and offer's been accepted. Having to get a company in for a full replacement at this later stage will really delay, if not disrupt, and lose the sale. That's why we suggested a conversion. This work can be completed in a single day and with minimal excavation and disruption. There are a few different conversion products available, but most work by installing the components inside the tank that introduce aeration into the sewage. Conversions can sometimes confuse people in terms of them being an approved and compliant means of treatment. This is largely because they lack the BSEN 12566 approval that other prefabricated treatment plants have. However, this is not an issue that should stop you considering one. The Environment Agency fully support the installations of conversions. Each conversion installation has their seal of approval for its use in this location. Domestic treatment plants are very cheap to obtain and do not require annual renewals. Building control departments also widely recognise conversions as an official means of discharge when combined with the Environmental Agency permit. And we handle the entire permit submission process. So if you think your septic tank might be able to be converted, get in touch with us today and we can discuss the options.